Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing the topic is hooks and tags. Okay, how many hooks are presented in our Cypress? Hooks and tags. In our Cypress, we have there are four type four types of hooks we have. Okay, what are those means? Before and after and before each, after each. Okay, these are the four type of hooks. What exactly it will do? Before is nothing but is a suit level of creation. Suit level of creation. Suit level is nothing but one time it will execute. Means whenever you want to open some browser or database or something data you want to load before complete suit running time. That moment we can able to use this before function like this hook. Okay, after is basically the closing of suit. Closing suit. What it will close, right? What all the things are opened in a suit level, thus all the things are will be closed into after completion of the execution. Okay, each one it will work like each method, each function, each test case running time we can able to say. Means now I have two test case 1 and test case 2. I want to run something each test case 1. While running for test case 1, I want to some database connection or Excel file data, something I want to load in this particular location. Then that moment we can able to use before each and after each. This will run for each test case time. First test case time it will run for this one, and after completion of the execution of test case 1, after each it will be executed. Okay, then before starting test case 2, again before each it will open, and after each it will complete for once test case execution is completed. Okay, these are the way we can able to use. We'll see for simple example. Okay, I'm going to create for describe block, and here I'm going to use for hooks and tags is my suit name, and here I'm going to use it for now it block. It block is nothing but test case. Okay, TC1 I'm mentioning. Okay, test case 1 and function creation. Okay, in this function what I can do is cy.login. Just I'll go for display and logs. Okay, we can home page verify home page. Okay, and second test case I'm going to mention TC2. Okay, TC2, and here cy.log again. Okay, and here I'm going to use for uh, adding new user. This is the message. Okay, and now again third test case I'm going to create here TC3. Okay, TC3. Now here again one more function, and here cy.log search product. Okay, search product. Okay, these are the three functions. Okay, now first I'll create for before suit. Okay, it's a before function. This is the hook creation and the function, and then we need to use for here like this. We need to create a hook before hook. Okay, and here I'm going to use for cy.login, and browser is opened. Okay, this is my before, and after I'm going to create again hook, and here you can able to make it for cy.log, and here closing browser. Okay, now before and after we used. Now I'm going to open for npx cypress open. Okay, now I'm going to open for my cypress. Now hooks and tags. Now we can able to see all three test cases got passed. If I hit for first test case, you can able to see before all is started. Log browser is opened. Okay, if you test case 2 only, log is presented for test case T1. Okay, and 3 also we can see the last after all is executed. Closing browser. Okay, one time in execution of all the test cases. Okay, and now I want to use for before each. Before each. This is a this also I'm going to create the function and like this, and here server.log uh, opening Excel file data. Okay, and after each function, and again inside that function creation server.log closing opened Excel file. Okay, now this is my before each and after each. This method need to be executed for each method time. Okay, if you open here now, refreshing, now hooks are ready. Now you can see there is a method. First one before all, open browser. Now before each, open Excel file and login home page, and after searching you can able to see closing. Okay, same thing you can able to see again test case 2 also. Okay, and test case 3 also you can able to see an additional of after all. After completion of all the things we are going to close it here. Okay, this is the approach we can able to do it. Okay, these are the hooks. And how about the tags? We have there are two tags are presented here. One is skip and another one is only. Okay, if I use for now only I want test case 2 need to be executed, then I can able to use for only. Okay, now if I save here and run it, now only you can see TC2 only we can able to see. Okay, we are not seeing anything. Okay, we have another method called skip. If I use the skip, see now I'm using for only and skip. The difference I'll show you. Okay, now I'm saving again. Now again refreshing this one. It is executed. Okay, there is no skip method we are not seeing. Okay, now only is there, but here also there is no value, but there is no skip, and here the skip tag is presented. Here there is no skip, but we need to see whether it is skipped or not. The count also 0 here. Okay, because why means we are used for only. That's why it is take for only this particular test case it will execute. It will not go for any other one. Okay, now I'm removing only. Now you can see here it will increase the count. Now I'm saving. See, two test cases passed. One skip function happened, and also that is a skip test case also you can able to see here. Okay, if you use only and skip all together in the same suit level, it will only it will execute for only which is the method used, that one. And here we cannot see for skip, and here if you remove that only and if you use the skip function, that particular test case it will be skipped. Okay, this is a tag based. Okay, this is a simple example about for hooks and tags. I hope it this information for help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.